Hello scientists, Dr. Pumpkin again. Do you want to find out how to make it rain the rainbow? Watch on to find out how. To make your rainbow rain, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a big glass or a vase, some water, some shaving foam, and some food colouring. The more colours of food colouring you have, the more colourful your rainbow rain will be. I've also got this, a pipette. You might have one at your house from a science kit or an eyedropper, but don't worry if you don't have one. And I've also got some tissues, just in case I make a bit of a mess with the food colouring. The first thing you need to do is put some water into your glass or vase, but you need to leave a bit of a gap at the top because that is where the cloud for our rainbow rain is going to go. And we're going to make the cloud from our shaving foam. Just put a little bit in the top like this. Okay, that is going to be our rain cloud. However, we need our rain. And our rainbow rain is going to come from our food colouring. I'm going to just drop some in using my pipette. You could just pour it in, try and get little drops. Let's start with the red. A couple of drops. Okay, clean my pipette off. Now I'll try for green. Okay, let's put some green rainbow rain in. Need a bit more green. Okay, that's better. Okay, and then finally I'm going to use yellow. Make it really colourful. Okay, then all you have to do is wait and watch, and you can see the rainbow rain is starting to fall. I can see a lot of yellow and I can see some of the red. Did you know that the first windscreen wipers were invented by American Mary Anderson in 1902? Do you think they'd have coped with this rainbow rain? See, this experiment shows how clouds are formed from water vapour, which forms into droplets in the sky. These droplets gather together until they're so heavy that they fall to the ground as rain. The rain falls due to the force gravity, the one that stops us all from floating off into space. Here, the rain is a food colouring, which is water-based. When we drop it onto the shaving foam cloud, the cloud swells with liquid, just like a real cloud, until it becomes so heavy that it falls into the water below. However, there's something else going on here. It's called diffusion. Imagine you're at a petrol station with your grown-ups. I bet you can smell the petrol before you even get out the car. In gases, like the air we breathe, particles move randomly around. Then they collide with each other or the container they're in, so they change direction. Eventually, they spread throughout the whole container, or the petrol smell reaches your nose. So there you go. Rainbow rain. Try it yourself, scientists, and I'll see you next time. Bye.